We're going to take a step back now from learning Python, and we're going to now focus on learning the Python IDE PyCharm. It's an application, an integrated development environment. That's what that stands for. It's an application that helps us code more efficiently and with more powerful tools at our disposal. I'm on a Windows machine right now. I know that a lot of you are learning on Windows. And so I may continue to switch back and forth here and there between a Mac and a PC. But I'm going to download this on a Windows computer and walk you through it. And you'll see that I'm over here on jetbrains.com/PyCharm. If you just search in Google or another search engine for PyCharm, you will find PyCharm. And we're going to download it and show you what it's all about. So here we have a download button. Let's click that. And we're going to install the free version. So let's go over here to other versions. We want Community Edition. And I am on a Windows machine. So we'll speed through the download here. Let's accept. And now, as we set up PyCharm, we'll just click next through the installer. We'll locate a space for this. I'll just put it under Program Files. Next. Next. Install. All right, once that download isn't finished, once that install is finished, then let's run PyCharm and click Finish. Accept the terms and conditions. I click Don't Send. Okay, so here we are in PyCharm. And in the next few videos, we will get familiar with this application and how we can write code in it and use a lot of the tools it has to offer.